You have fruit flies in your kitchen right now. They are everywhere. On your fruits, around your sink, flying into your face, and you are spending money, real money, on sprays and traps that simply do not work. But war hat, if I told you that a $2 bottle sitting in your pantry right now kills fruit flies instantly, not in 3 days, not after 3 applications, instantly. The pest control industry has known about this for decades. They buried it, because if you knew the secret, they would lose billions of dollars every single year. I am going to show you exactly what they have been hiding from you. And stay until the end, because the last tip will shock you completely. Think about your kitchen right now. You walk in every morning and they are there. Those tiny, disgusting flies hovering over your fruit bowl, circling your trash can, landing on your food, on your dishes, on everything you touch. You feel embarrassed when guests come over. You feel frustrated because you have tried everything. You bought those little yellow sticky traps from the store. $5 gone. They caught maybe 3 flies and then filled up in 2 days. So you bought the spray. $8 for a bottle that smells like chemicals and made you worried about spraying it near your food. And it still did not work. You threw out fruits that were not even fully ripe yet because you thought that was causing the problem. You scrubbed your sink. You cleaned your entire kitchen from top to bottom. 2 hours of work. And the next morning they were back. Every single one of them. Like nothing happened. People call pest control companies because they are desperate. The average pest control visit for a fruit fly infestation costs between $150 and $300. Some companies charge $500 for a so-called full treatment. And you know what they use? They use the same basic chemistry that has been available to you for decades. But they mix it in a bottle with a logo on it and charge you an insane amount of money. The pest control industry in America alone is worth over $26 billion every single year. And a massive portion of that money comes from people exactly like you. People who just want the flies gone. People who do not know the simple truth that I am about to share with you right now. What I am about to show you has been known since the 1950s. Fruit fly research was heavily funded back then because fruit flies destroyed crops. Scientists discovered very quickly that acetic acid, the main compound in white vinegar, was a lethal attractant for fruit flies. It pulls them in like a magnet, and then it kills them. The research was published. It was documented. But then, something happened. In the late 1960s, large chemical companies began lobbying hard to commercialize pest control solutions. They spent millions keeping this quiet. They funded new products. They pushed retail stores to carry their branded traps and sprays. The simple vinegar solution got buried under mountains of marketing. Only 1% of people actually know this method and use it consistently. The rest keep buying products that pad the pockets of billion-dollar corporations. These companies know that a $2 bottle of white vinegar from any grocery store does exactly what their $15 trap does. Actually, it does it better. Because vinegar contains acetic acid at a concentration that is absolutely irresistible to fruit flies. It smells like fermenting fruit to them. It smells like home. They fly straight toward it. And with one simple addition that I will show you in just a moment, they cannot escape. Scientists have tested this. Independent researchers at multiple universities confirmed that white vinegar traps outperform commercial sticky traps by a rate of 3 to 1. 3 times more flies captured. 3 times more effective for a fraction of the cost. And the pest control companies have known this entire time. They chose profit over your peace of mind. Now you are going to know the truth. Here is exactly what you're going to do. Take any glass or jar you have at home. A mason jar works perfectly. Even an old drinking glass works fine. Pour white vinegar into it. Fill it about 1/3 of the way. Now here is the part that makes this go from good to absolutely devastating for fruit flies. Add 2 drops of dish soap. Just 2 drops. That is it. The dish soap breaks the surface tension of the vinegar. Fruit flies land on the surface expecting to drink, and they sink instantly. They cannot pull themselves back up. The dish soap traps them completely. Now cover the top of the glass with plastic wrap. Pull it tight. Use a rubber band to hold it in place. Take a toothpick and poke 8 to 10 small holes in the plastic wrap. Small holes, just big enough for a fruit fly to enter. They smell the vinegar through those holes. They crawl inside, and they never come back out. Place this trap directly next to your fruit bowl. Place another one near your sink drain. If you have a trash can in your kitchen, place one near that too. Within 2 hours, you will see flies inside the trap. By the next morning, you will be shocked at how many are in there. Empty the trap every 2 days, rinse it out, refill with fresh vinegar and 2 drops of soap. Run this for 1 week straight, and your fruit fly problem will be completely gone. Now here's where you make this completely bulletproof. There's a reason fruit flies keep coming back even after you trap them. It is your drain. Your kitchen sink drain is a breeding ground. Fruit flies lay eggs in the thin layer of organic matter that coats the inside of your drain pipe. You cannot see it, but it is there. And it produces hundreds of new flies every few days. This is why people trap flies for a week and think the problem is solved. And then 3 days later, the flies are back again. You need to kill the source. Pour half a cup of white vinegar directly down your drain. Then immediately follow it with half a cup of baking soda. You will see it fizz and bubble. That reaction is breaking apart the organic buildup inside your pipe. Let it sit for 15 minutes. Then flush with boiling hot water. Do this every 3 days for 2 weeks. This destroys the breeding ground completely. No breeding ground means no new flies. Combined with your vinegar trap, you're hitting them from 2 directions at once, trapping the adults, destroying the eggs. This is the complete solution. This is what pest control companies do not want you to figure out, because once you figure this out, you never need them again. Let me show you how to make this even faster. There is one ingredient you can add to your vinegar trap that makes it work in under 30 minutes instead of 2 hours. Add 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar to your white vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has a stronger fermentation smell. It mimics overripe fruit even more closely. Fruit flies find it completely irresistible. The combination of white vinegar and apple cider vinegar together creates an attraction signal that fruit flies cannot ignore. You will see them entering the trap within minutes of setting it out. This upgraded version works especially well during summer months when fruit fly populations are at their highest. Also, if you have a really bad infestation, place a small piece of overripe banana inside the trap before covering it with plastic wrap. The banana adds a physical bait on top of the vinegar smell. Flies that enter to reach the banana fall into the vinegar below. You are layering multiple attractants into one trap. This is the professional level version, and it costs you less than 50 cents to make. Here is something the industry really does not want you to know about prevention. Fruit flies do not just come from your fruit bowl, nor do they hitch rides into your home on the fruit itself. Especially on organic produce, eggs are already laid on the skin of fruits and vegetables before you buy them. They hatch at room temperature in your kitchen. This is why you can have a spotless kitchen and still get fruit flies. The solution is simple. When you bring fruit home from the store, rinse every piece under cold running water with a small splash of white vinegar in the rinse water. This kills surface eggs before they ever hatch. You never get the infestation in the first place. This one habit alone eliminates the majority of fruit fly problems in most homes. And all it costs is a few drops of the same $2 bottle of vinegar you already have. Keep a small spray bottle filled with diluted white vinegar near your sink. 1 part vinegar. 3 parts water. Spray your produce before putting it in the fruit bowl. Spray your counter after preparing food. Spray around your sink area. White vinegar is a natural disinfectant. It kills bacteria. It repels insects. It is safe around your food. It is safe around your children. And it costs almost nothing. If you made it this far, you now know more about eliminating fruit flies than most people will ever know. You know the vinegar trap method. You know the drain treatment. You know the apple cider vinegar upgrade. You know the banana bait technique. And you know the prevention rinse that stops fruit fell. Yes, before they ever start. This is the complete system. This is what works. Not the $15 traps, not the chemical sprays, not the $300 pest control visit, a $2 bottle of white vinegar and 2 drops of dish soap. Share this video with someone who has fruit flies right now. They will thank you for it. Hit that like button if this helped you today. And subscribe, because next week I'm exposing another secret that cleaning product companies have hidden from you for 40 years. Something involving your bathroom that will completely change how you clean your home forever. One final thing before you go. The absolute fastest way to knock down a fruit fly population in one single night: pour undiluted white vinegar into a shallow bowl and set it on your counter uncovered before you go to sleep. No plastic wrap, no holes, just open vinegar. By morning, the bowl will be full. Clean it out. Set your covered trap for the rest of the week. You just won the war overnight. You do not need their products. You never did.